Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Well, in my video that I published yesterday about Spreadshirt Europe and my January update on my sales after just 2.5 months, in which I showed you that I nearly achieved $100 in royalties on Spreadshirt in January, actually a very slow month normally. And after just 2.5 months in print on demand. So I think I'm so happy about this because, you know, if I can achieve $100 after just 2.5 months and in the basically probably the slowest month of the year, you know, there's probably so much possible and it just is so motivating. Well, anyway, in the video yesterday, I said that I was still waiting for my first sale on Spreadshirt US. Well, it actually came in on the same day. So I'm so happy now that I've actually had the first sale on Spreadshirt US as well, because it shows that this platform works for me as well, even though it might be a bit slower. And I just want to, you know, whenever you have the first sale on a certain platform, it's fantastic because it just means that it works and it's motivating and it just drives you to create more designs. So I actually didn't figure out, well, I registered my own print-on-demand, business on Spreadshirt Europe on the 15th of November. And I actually didn't know that there was a Spreadshirt.com marketplace until, I think, the middle of December. So it was about a month later that I actually registered on Spreadshirt US. So that means that I'm a bit behind anyway. And I hopefully now will see a similar development that I've seen on Spreadshirt Europe. So it's just very motivating. And it shows that print on demand still works. It still works if you're just starting. I literally had no print on demand experience before November 2020. And I actually didn't even know about this business model before then. And I quickly decided to start this business and to scale it and to, you know, put a lot of work in. And now I start to see the results. And it just means that if you think about starting and you put a lot of work in, you will see results. You know, I don't have the best designs, and a lot of the designs that had sold already for me, they were, you know, some of them were text-based, some of them I wouldn't have purchased myself, to be honest, but it just shows that it works. And even now, this one here, I can't show it to you, but even the one that sold here on Spreadshirt.com, it's just a simple text-based design. It's very simple, nothing fancy. So yeah, I hope this was motivating. I just want to, you know, help you share my own learnings, share my successes and my mistakes. So just to motivate others and to help you to succeed. Yeah, if you liked the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey going forward. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.